Romanian crew with French to embark. We have a number of coastal ships, North France, Penhans port, and we have 5 units security ships. We are searching captain €6,700 and then 300 for social security. Chief officer 4,700 and 300 social security. Then we have a Motorman, which is 4,300 social security, total 4,300. And the AB Cook 3,750 and 300 social security, total 4,050. Now, these ships have a British flag, so European certificates, Romanian certificates are good. We have 8 ships in Spain and 5 ships in France. The French fleet, we need French speakers. This video is because the Romanians it comes from Latin, so you also understand and talk Spanish very well indeed. If you are one of those, apply. Same is for the skipper and the chief officer. Remember, these ships are 200 and 500 GT, so we need the certificates of a skipper of 200 and 500. That's why we have these €7,000. These ships are security ships, British flag, so English is very important. Chief officer, I mentioned 4,700 and 300, that's total 5,000. And then the motorman is just any motorman with motorman certification is okay to work on board those ships as a chief engineer, because this is very small ships like yachts, like 200 and 500 GT. If you hablas español, bienvenido, te necesitamos ya. And then the AB Cook is very special certificate, because AB doesn't need to have the 2.4 STCW as ordinary sailor or 2.5 as AB, nor the Cook certificate. Now, you need the basic training, basic safety for the AB position. And if tú hablas español, bienvenido. And if tu parles français, bienvenue. Très urgent, very urgent if you speak French, because we need 10 in total for these ships. At least 2 must speak French, français. Okay, and the Cook certificate, you don't need manipulador de alimentos in Spanish, you don't need the Cook certificate, you just need the hygiene course, which is an online course, €30 course, and this can be done on board. These ships are security ships, very small, like yacht, and then they are around these cable layer ships, big cable layer ships, and the job of these ships is security ships, so that they can really have full operations, the cable layer, with no issues. And then the skipper should be in touch with the French authorities or the Spanish authorities, naval authorities, in order to keep guarantee security around some meters around the cable layer. That's the job. Thank you very much. The length of contract is 2 months on board, 1 home. The wages are only on board. Why? Because we have also a Spanish crew and also Portugal crew, and then we can have a roster system, 2 months on board, 1 home, and we rotate. And anyways, any questions, please ask, and then also fill the crew inspector format of Candina. This, if you do speak French, Romanian seafarers of these 4 positions, apply urgent. We need 10 for just a day. And if you speak Spanish, also we need around also some 20 approx, because we're mixing with the Spanish, so we can do the roster between the Spanish and the Romanians, and you must have a little of Spanish, please. Thank you, gracias, merci, au revoir.